I don't think people understand just how incredible the black sicklebill is. Let's dive into this avian marvel. The black sicklebill isn't just any bird, it's a spectacle of nature. Found deep in the rainforests of New Guinea, this bird is known for its dramatic courtship display. The male unfurls its glossy black feathers, transforming into a living crescent shape, with iridescent blue-green plumes that shimmer in the light. But its beauty isn't just visual. The black sicklebill produces a unique, almost mechanical call that can be heard echoing through the forest. It's a song that announces its presence with both grace and power. These birds are a testament to the wonders of evolution and biodiversity.